Well, I'm going to call this part 2. I got the cam back in. I got the bike all together. Today it was 60 degrees. Took it for a ride. I took a marker and noted what I've done and when I did it, so that if somebody other than myself goes in there, they know what they're dealing with. The bike is running really good, really solid. It pulls pretty good. I mean, anybody that has an Evo and just stuffs a cam in there, they know that it turns it on a little bit. It's by no means a speed demon, but I was able to, you know, throttle through each gear, and there's no lug-in. I can run around town, which I did today, and I got on the highway to see how it would pull, and it's super nice. I may eventually swap the carb out. I think I got it pretty good and tuned, but the CV carb keeps wanting to pop when it's cold, and it's been doing that since day one. I changed the manifold gaskets, cleaned everything up. Before I do anything with the carb, I'll crack it open. But the plugs are running pretty good. The story that they're telling is a nice light brown color. So I don't know what's up with that, but I'll get to that. And then I'm real happy with the way that the bars came out, adjusting them up. It's just way more comfortable for me to ride, and not seeing the radio in there is a total bonus for me, because it was rotating and doing some sort of a weird light program show that was just distracting me, and now I just got my dash, so I'm happy with that. I may get a stock radio and put it in there, but I don't really need it because I ride with a helmet and use my Bluetooth. So that said, I'm sorry I did not film putting it back together, but because I got the other bike going on, I needed to get this thing together and get it together quick. And in the process of going through that thing, found a bunch of stuff already that I was able to take care of, and just trying to get to know that. So stay tuned for videos on the blue bike. Stay tuned for videos on the black bike, and I'd like to thank you for watching.